Sivakasi, a town popular for its small-scale industries, is situated in the district of Virudhunagar in Tamil Nadu. This town was created by the great Pandya king Harikesari Parakkirama in the 15th century. According to various scripts, a bull reached this place carrying a Shivalinga meant for consecration. It didn't move further and stayed back in this place. Taking cue, the king decided to consecrate the Shivalinga at this place. From then on, this town came to be known as Sivakasi. Being a place of dry and hot climatic conditions, this town became a perfect place for firecrackers, matches and printing industry. %90 of the firecrackers used in India is being manufactured here in Sivakasi. An incredible 150,000 firecracker industries function here. The best revolution in printing profession happened here. One can see big and small printing press all over Sivakasi. From small bit notices to books for foreign countries are getting printed here. There are more than 520 registered printing press here. Around 800,000 persons are working in this industry directly or indirectly in Sivakasi. Sri Badhrkali Amman temple, sculptured on Dravidian traditions, is one of the paramount landmarks here. This temple was built between the 19th and 20th centuries. Paikuni Pongal and Chitrai Pongal are the distinct festivals of this temple. The darshan time is between 6 and 12 in the morning and between 5 and 8:30 in the evening. Sri Vishwanatha Swami Temple and Sri Shenbaga Vinayagar Temple are the other two ancient temples in Sivakasi. Apart from this, there is nothing more unique about this small town. Accommodation in the range of Rs 500 to Rs 1000 is available. The nearest railway station is Sivakasi and the Madurai airport is 74 kilometers away from Sivakasi.